Unit 3, Lesson 5, Track 22, Band 1. Listen and check your answers. A3, B2, C5, D8, E7, F1, G6, H4. Band 2. Now listen to the conversations.
What's the matter, Yasir?
I feel sick. I've eaten too much chocolate.
What's wrong, Jassim? Why are you angry?
Ahmed has gone to the beach without me.
Tamara, why are you upset?
I've forgotten my English books. Why are you so happy, Muna?
Daddy has given me a present.
What is it, Zina? Why are you so excited?
Dad phoned. He's bought me a new computer. Salman, what's the matter? Why are you frightened?
I've just read a ghost story.
Nora, what's the matter? Why are you sad?
Somebody has drunk all the lemonade.
What's the matter, Jack? Why are you worried?
Somebody has taken my elephant.